The Dawn House also has a manual activated snore feature. It also has an anti-snore feature. Snore feature, anti-snore, they're the same thing. So you can activate it if your partner is sleeping and snoring. You can activate it manually and it will elevate their head automatically. Or the sensors can actually pick up your snoring throughout the night. And so when that happens, it will automatically elevate your head all on its own. So no button needed, it'll do it all by itself.